We took the 1 a.m. bus trip to Lucena. We rode in Jackliner in Camias, Quezon City, and got some sleep going to Dalahican, Quezon. Pagbaba namin, sakto kami dun sa Roro going to Mogpog. Mga 2 hours yung ride, chill sa boat, then Marinduque na! We prepared our bikes, bags, and got ready to conquer Marinduque. You know, kita lahat. Ow! 3. Ganda agad.
Yo! Guys, mga katadyak. Tatadyak tayo ngayon. Samahan nyo kami.
Umpisa pa lang. Ang ganda na. Sauce! May kapihan! O yun o, Balar Hotel. O, tigil tayo! So, masaya yung trip. Pag may nakita kaming okay, tigil, chill. Islands. Meron mga parts na climb, ahon, pero hanep pa rin yung view. Converge. Kaya, saan tayo?
Dito.
Dahil?
Dito po, ano yung ahon yan. Budol. No.
Target namin was to go to Buena Vista and spend our first night there.
Wow, look at that. Pre-ride rituals. Ano rin? Bakit ka nag- Oh, bakit?
Selfie.
Yeah. Ang kailangan dapat talaga stretching. Kanina dun si ano lang eh.
Kahit
Because kailangan
pogi sa camera.
That was the first part of our Marinduque loop. Watch out for our next.